Hi, this video is about the Caribou Mathematics Contest. I'm going to show the solution for the October 2013 Grade 9-10 Contest Question 5, which also came up in the Grade 11-12 Contest. So the question is, which of the following polynomials has a total degree 4, has 3 terms, and has 2 variables? So let's look at option A first. Well, we know that this has 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 terms, but we only want 3 terms. So we know that it cannot be option A. So let's move on to the next one. So option B has 3 terms, which is what we need, but only has x as a variable. So instead of 2 variables, it only has 1, so it is not B either. So let's move on to C. C has 3 terms that we need, and also has 2 variables. So for the first term, the total degree is 3. For the second term, the total degree is 2 plus 2, which is 4. And for the third term, the total degree is 1 plus 1, which is 2. So we know that this polynomial satisfies the conditions because it has a total degree. The maximum total degree of the 3 terms is 4 because here 2 plus 2 is 4, and it also has 3 terms and 2 variables. So we know that option C satisfies the conditions. So let's move on to D. D has 3 terms, which is what we need, and also 2 variables, x and y. The total degree for the first term is 2. For the second term, it is 1 plus 1 is 2. And now for the third term, which is minus 5, it is the same thing as writing minus 5 times 1 times 1. For the times 1 being x to the power of 0 times 1, which is times y to the power of 0. So since we know that 0 plus 0 is 0, we know that this term, which is minus 5, has a total degree of 0. So therefore, since the maximum number of total degree is only 2, we know that it does not satisfy the conditions. So let's move on to E. So this has 3 terms, which is what we need, but it also has 3 variables instead of 2 because x, y, and z. So we know it cannot be E. So let's move on to F. So we know it has 3 terms, and it also has 2 variables, but for the first term, the total degree is 5 because 4 plus 1. So we know that F does not satisfy the conditions. So now G says none of the other. Well, this is false because we know that C satisfies the conditions. So the answer is C because this polynomial satisfies the conditions of having a total degree of 4, 3 terms, and 2 variables. If you'd like to know more about this contest, please feel free to visit our website at www.brocky.ca/caribou.